In this video, we are going to learn about how to fix microphone is not working in Audacity. Here you can say I have Audacity. Now I want to record something using this app. Click this record button and then you can see microphone is not working and recording is not working. So first of all, I want to fix this one. Stop the recording and delete this part. So first of all, make sure your microphone is connected with this app. Click to audio setup and check out audio recording devices. Here you can see here is a word from USB microphone. It's my secondary microphone, but the primary microphone is not connected with this app. So first of all, make sure your microphone is connected with this app. First of all, make sure your microphone is connected with the Windows, with the PC or with the laptop. Click on this icon, right button from your mouse, and then click to sound. Here you can see I have a sound option. You first of all click to recording. Here you can see it's my primary microphone and it's my secondary microphone. Now it's working because I am recording. Now make sure your microphone connected with this Audacity. Click to here and here you can see the microphone is not connected with this app. So if you want to connect the microphone with this app, first of all close the app and open the app again. Now again check it out, your microphone is connected or not. Click to audio setup and then recording device. Now you can see the microphone is connected. Select this microphone and then again click to recording button. Now you can see recording is working properly. So that's it. You can fix your microphone using this method. I hope this video will help you to understand how to fix your microphone is not working with Audacity. So if you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.